Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Oppo F29 Pro 5G smartphone, and in this video I'm gonna show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So if you're planning to purchase this phone or you have already bought this, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. When you are on home screen, it feels really uncomfortable to reach at the corner and open any of these applications. But there is a gesture for that. Tap and hold on the home screen and then select more. Select icon pull down gesture and then enable this. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can swipe up from either side of the screen like this. Then it will bring all your application around your thumb. Now select the application you want to open and then it will open the application for you. You can use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of split screen feature. To do that, open the first application and then swipe up by using 3 fingers like this. Now select the second application you want to use. As you can see, you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen. You can also enable double tap to lock and double tap to wake your screen off feature. To do that, tap and hold on the home screen, select more. Firstly, enable double tap to lock, scroll down and then enable double tap to turn screen on or off. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply double tap on the empty area, then it will lock your smartphone, and if you will double tap on the locked screen, then it will wake your screen up. If you want to monitor your real-time internet speed, then you don't have to download any third-party app for that. Simply open your settings, select notifications and quick settings, select status bar and then enable real-time network speed. Then it will start showing your internet speed in your status bar. If you will long press the power button, then it will launch Google Gemini. If you want to set it to power menu, then open your settings, scroll down and then select accessibility and convenience. Again scroll down and then select power button. Select press and hold the power button and then select power menu. Now if you will long press your power button, then it will launch your power menu. But if you want to keep this as digital assistant, now if you want to launch your power menu, then you can press the volume up button and power button at the same time, then it will launch your power menu. This phone comes with AI editor. With the help of that, you can edit your images. To do that, open your camera application, select the image and then click on edit. Here you will see the option of AI editor. Click on this. Now with the help of AI, you can enhance the clarity. You can erase any object or any person from your images. You can unblur your images and remove reflections as well. So you can do all of these with the help of AI, but keep in mind you must be connected to internet to use any of these features. This phone comes with really cool offline themes that can make your phone look really good. To set these, open your settings and then select wallpaper and style, select more themes. Here you have a lot of options. You can select from any of these. You can further customize them. You can change the font, the widgets. You can change the color of that. After this, click on apply. And then it will change the theme of your smartphone and make it look really cool. If you want to increase the lifespan of your phone's battery, then you must enable the next feature. Open your settings, select battery and then select battery health. There you will see the option of smart charging. Enable this. What it does, it will charge your phone up to 80% with normal speed and then take a little bit extra time to charge your phone fully. So with the help of this feature, you can increase the lifespan of your phone's battery. Just like Samsung's device, you can use circle to search feature in this smartphone as well. To do that, tap and hold in the bottom middle like this. Then it will enable circle to search. Now circle the object you want to search, then it will directly search it to the Google for you. So you can use this feature while using your social media application, YouTube, internet, etc. to search whatever you have on your screen directly to Google. You can clone almost every application in this smartphone. To do that, open your settings, scroll down and then select apps and then select app cloner. Firstly, it will show the messenger application. But if you want to clone other application, then select other apps. Here it will show almost every application that you have in your smartphone. Now select the app you want to clone and then click on create app clone. It will take few seconds. After that, it will make the clone for you. As you can see in my app drawer, I have two phone pays now and I can log in with two different accounts in the same application. You can scroll social media application without touching your smartphone with the help of AI Scroll. To do that, open your settings, scroll down and then select accessibility and convenience. Select gesture and motions, and there you will see the option of AI gestures. Select AI Scroll. Here you can learn how you can use these AI gestures. Show your palm like this. Now you can swipe down. If you wanna scroll up, then you can show your half palm like this, then you can scroll up. So you can use this while using Facebook, YouTube, etc. You can also use this AI gestures for your calls. You can mute your calls or answer your calls after showing your palm like this. So you can use this AI gesture features to control your phone without even touching it. You can also enable another gesture to open this control center and notification center from home screen very easily. Tap and hold on the home screen and then select more. There you will see the option of swipe down on home screen. Click on this and then select notification and quick settings. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can swipe down from the empty area like this. Then it will open your control center as well as your notification center. If you want to change the order of these three buttons, or if you want to set gesture navigation, then open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then select system and updates. Select system navigation. Here you can change the order of these three buttons. Now if you want to set gesture navigation, then select gestures. Click on cancel. Now you can go back like this, jump to your home screen like this, and open your recent application like this. If you like to multitask in your smartphone, then you can use this smart sidebar feature. To open this, simply scroll to the left to this transparent bar. It will open your smart sidebar. Here you can use the translator, you can record your screens, you can temporarily save your files in file dock. Now if you will open any application from this, then it will open it in floating window. You can resize it from the corners like this, drag and drop it anywhere, and also minimize it. You can keep on using your smartphone normally and it will remain as floating window or minimized. Whenever you want it again, simply tap on this, then it will open it for you. To close it, tap on this and then click on close. You can also customize this. Click on edit, remove unnecessary application from here and add your most used application and then click on done. So you can use this smart sidebar feature to multitask in your smartphone. This phone have another AI feature called AI Summary. So with the help of that, you can summarize your audio recordings with the help of AI. Let me show you how you can do that. Simply open your recorder, click on the recording that you have and then click on summarize. So it will summarize your recording in textual form. This can be really helpful for students who are attending some kind of lectures. Open your settings, scroll down and then select accessibility and convenience. Again scroll down and then select gestures and motions. There you will see the option of turn on or off torch with volume button. Click on this. Now whenever your phone is locked, you can long press your volume down button, then it will turn on your flashlight, and if you long press it again, then it will turn it off. This phone comes with a lot of screen of gestures. Let me show you one by one how you can use them. Open your settings, select accessibility and convenience, select gestures and motions and then select screen of gestures. If this is disabled, then firstly enable screen of gestures. Now the first one is draw an O to open camera. If you will enable this, then whenever your phone is locked, you can simply draw an O, then it will open your camera application for you. The second one is draw a V to turn torch on or off. If you will enable this, whenever your phone is locked, you can simply draw a V, then it will turn on your flashlight, and if you will draw it again, then it will turn it off. You can also control your music with the help of these gestures. You can play your previous song while drawing this, play the next song by drawing this, and play and pause your music by drawing this. You can also open your favorite application by drawing any of these letters. Simply enable this, click on this and then select open an app. Select your favorite application. And now whenever your phone is locked, you can draw that letter, then it will open that app for you. If you use your phone at night a lot, then you must use the next two features to protect your eyes. Open your settings, select display and brightness. The first feature is dark mode. Click on this, then it will turn all the whites that you have on your screen into blacks. This will decrease the pressure on your eyes. The second feature is eye comfort. Click on eye comfort and sleep, and then enable this. It will warm the color of your screen little bit. As you can see, this will also decrease the pressure on your eyes. So you can use these two features if you use your phone at night a lot. You can change the shape, size and even name of these apps. To do that, tap and hold on the home screen and then select icons. Here you can increase or decrease the size of these apps icon. With the help of this, you can change the style of these icons. You can click on custom, then you can select from any of these shapes. Select any of these and then click on apply. It will change the shape or size of these app. Now if you wanna edit the name, then tap and hold on that app and then click on edit. Here you can change the name of these apps and then click on save. So that's how you can fully customize the shape, size and even name of these apps. If you want to hide or lock any of the application in your smartphone, then you don't have to download any third-party app for that. Simply open your settings, select security and privacy, and then scroll down to the bottom. From here you can hide your application and lock your application as well. And with the help of Private Safe, you can hide your photos or videos as well. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of Oppo F29 Pro 5G smartphone. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.